you understand all the concepts. You just try to attend the classes. That's it. See ma here. Now thing is what? The starting state is Q naught. The starting state is Q naught. So what is my input string? Input string is, now I have taken BBR, and you can also take some string which is starting with A also. But in this string, I am going to see all the possibilities. I will surely cover all the possibilities. See, what is my initially what I have to do? Initially, what is the B? I am making it as a blank symbol. B I am making as a blank symbol. So simply my input pointer is, it is not self loop, it is a transition at the Q naught. Input symbol is B, and I am making it as a blank, and I am moving right hand side. B I am making it as a blank, and I am moving right hand side. So this B I am making it as a blank. This first B I am making it as a blank, and I am moving right hand side, and my input pointer, luckily here we are pointing again B. So maybe any number of B's also allowed in some strings. As this, with this B also we can stop it, but it may possible 3 B's or 4 B's continuously. So at this point of time, what I have to do? Any number of B's, what is my logic? Any number of B's, I have to move the right hand side. Any number of B's, I have to move the right hand side. That is my logic. So here, in this transition, in this, what is transition I am going to give? Here it is a, in this B, any number of B's, B comma B, I am keeping as a B only, and I am moving right hand side. So because whenever there is a B is encountered, I have to search for its A. So that is why I am skipping all the B's. That B I am keeping. I am not writing anything. But here I wrote the B with the blank, and I have moving right hand side. Now here I am not writing anything. I am just keeping B only, and I will go for what I'm searching for. Whenever there is a is encounter, what I need to do? As my approach, A I am making as a X. So where I need to consider this, after any number of B's, what is encountered? I encountered here A. So in this transition, what is my transition, ma? A comma A I am making as a X. A I am making as a X, and you need to move left hand side. A I am making as a X, and you should move left hand side direction. This is related to this transition, ma. It is not here. Otherwise, I will write here. So what is A comma A? I am making as a blank. Sorry, X, and I am moving, because I am not giving like directly a blank. Because why I am not giving the blank? Because I have to again go for the left hand side. I need to search for the some more B's and remaining input string. That is why I am not giving here blank. If I give the blank here, then it is going to, you are going to get confusion, that you will feel that it is the end of the string. So that's why for this B, for this A, I am not giving blank. I am giving as a X. So and I have to move the left hand side. So that B I make as a blank. Remember, and this any number of B's I am moving right hand side, and whenever there is a is encountered, I am making A as a X, and I am moving left hand side. So in this A, what I am doing, ma? A I am making as a X, and I am moving left hand side. I am moving left hand side. While moving left hand side, you may encounter B's, or you might encounter A's. It may be possibility, right? So, but here we encountered as a in B maybe. So, what is while moving left hand side? Whenever you encounter a B, what you have to do? You should make this B as a B only, and you have to go the left hand side until you encounter as a blank. Until you encounter as a blank. So, this is what I'm doing here. Any number of, okay, I will try to write this. Okay, in this what I'm going to do is any number of B's, I have to move the left hand side only. I am moving left hand side. While moving left hand side, any number of B's or any number of A's, but it is not in this transition. You don't have A, but anyway, I will whenever it require, I will add it. So here, so any number of B's or any number of A's, you have to go for the left hand side until you encounter as a blank. Until you encounter as a blank. Whenever you encounter as a blank, what you need to do, ma? You need to go for the right hand side. If any number of B's are there, you have to repeat the same process. You have to repeat the same process. So whenever a blank is encounter, you have to go for the right hand side direction, right hand side, and you have to go for the which state, and you should go to the Q0. You should go to the Q0 because this process has to be repeated again, right? So what is my transition? And which transition I am going here? Blank, comma, blank. I am moving right hand side and I am at state Q0. I am at state Q0, and see that because based on the input string you have to add the transitions. So that's why I'm telling always you try to take whenever you are taking the string, you try to take the string always some bigger string. So this is completed, ma. B. Now we are at again same. This B I am making as a, see here, this B I am making as a blank. This B I am making as a blank, and because I am at state Q0, at Q0 and B we making as a blank, and I am moving right hand side direction. See here, while moving right hand side direction, you are at the state Q1, and what is the input symbol here? X is there. Here X is there. So what you have to do, whenever X is also there, you have to go for the right hand side only. So here you need to add one more transition. That is why I'm telling, while processing input string, you should add the transitions. You should not add transitions blindly, and you cannot by add a transitions blindly. So here X comma X, you need to move the right hand side direction. You need to move the right hand side direction, and I am searching for its B. I am searching for the next A. So and similarly, whenever there is a B and B is encounter, you should make B is B only, and you have to move the right hand side. So and I have moved the right hand side. What is the symbol you encounter? A. Next, in this A, you have to replace A with the X, and you have to move the left hand side. So because for the second B, I am searching for the second A. So this A I am making as a X, and I am moving left hand side. While moving left hand side, what is there, my again? Any number of B's, I have to move the left hand side, but is there X is also there? Any number of X also, you have to move the left hand side only. So what is the transition you have to add? You have to add the transition here, X comma X, and you should move the left hand side. You should move the left hand side. So try to follow carefully. So if you miss any somewhere, you are not going to understand this one. So next ma. So when you are moving left hand side, x also you have moved the left hand side. You are at the state Q2, and whenever you encounter as a blank here, blank on blank, you will go to the right hand side and you will go to the state Q0. And what is your input processing symbol? Is X. At Q0, is there any symbol X? X transition is there at Q0? No. So what we have to do? We have to give the transition X. So I cannot give this, repeat this process. So what I will do is, it may be any number of X. So it is going to repeat same thing. So X, because I will not come back again. I am not going to come back again. So what I'm doing, this X, I am making as a blank. This X I am making as a blank. So this X I am making as a blank. See here I am giving the transition self loop. What is this one is? Blank. Here I am writing, just see that carefully. Here I am writing blank, sorry, X I am making as a blank, and I am moving which direction ma? I need to move right hand side direction. So here this is a transition. X I am making as a blank because I'm not going to come back again. So that is why I'm making as a X I am making as a blank, and I am this X I am making as a blank, and I am moving right hand side. And while moving right hand side, again there is a B only. What is B? So this process is again I need to repeat. B I should make as a blank. B I should make as a blank, and while moving right hand side, X, any number of X you have to move right hand side. Whenever there is you encounter as a you have to make this as a X, and you should move the left hand side. While moving left hand side, any number of X you move the left hand side, and whenever you encounter as a blank on blank, you go for the right hand side. So when you and X, here now where you are at X, so what I have to do this process, X on X I am making as a blank, using this transition. X I am making as a blank, and I am moving right hand side, and for the next X also I am making as a blank, and I am moving right hand side. Now what you encounter at Q0 A, at Q0 A, now we encounter A. Now for this A I need to search for B. So these transitions will not work out. So what is the transitions now? This transitions I am going to give here. So what are those? While going here, A I am making as a blank, and I am moving right hand side, and like this, you don't have any A's, but if you have any number of A's also, you have to move the right hand side. See, any number of, that's why you should always try to take as a somewhat bigger string. So any number of A's also here, any number of A's, I need to move right hand side direction only. But whenever for this A, I need to see for the B. So what is, whenever there is a B is encountered, A I am making as a blank here, A here, A I am making as a blank, and I am moving right hand side. Whenever here I am searching for B. So what is this B? B has to be replaced with the X. So where at Q3 here, B should be replaced with the X. So B is B I am replacing with X, and you should move the left hand side. While moving left hand side, because any number of A's also you have to move the left hand side only. So you need to add here A comma A. You should move the left hand side, because but in this string we don't have A's. So but is there any possibility, right? So any number of A's also you move the left hand side until you go for the Q naught and blank on. After moving left hand side, what you will encounter? Blank. So this blank on blank, you will move again right hand side, and at Q naught again X. This X I am making as a, this X also I am making as a blank. This X also I am making as a blank. I am just going for the this X also I am making as a blank, and I am going for the right hand side direction. What is there in the right hand side? So it is a blank only, because initially a stack is sorry, the tape is all symbols as blank. So at Q naught I need to go for the, at Q naught from Q naught I need to go for the final state, right? I need to go for the so I am going for the final state. I am going for the final state. So the final state is QF. And what is doing my here? So on which transition it is coming? Blank on blank. So blank on, okay, I will try to write. So blank comma blank, you are moving right hand side. So and it is halt. After reaching to the QF, it is halt. So that means the string is accepted. After reaching the final state, the string is halt. So it is accepted. And here you here also you will get what is the transition. Here also you will get X comma X. You will move right hand side direction. So this is equal number of A's, equal number of B's. This is a solution. This is equal number of A's, equal number of B's. So like this we have to solve this problem, and just I'm giving a clue for the next problems. Is